Hey there, crafty friends. It's Hannah the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and coming to you today to talk to you a little bit about and show you a brand new mini book that we have that is using the Fall 49 and Market line called Spice. So Spice was just released, and I did give you guys a little teaser that we were going to have a mini book using that line once the line all got here. Yay, the line is here. So I can start to put kits together for you. Kits should start shipping in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. There is one component that I'm waiting for a couple of them. But let me do a quick little walkthrough of the album and then explain to you everything you're going to be getting in your kit. So the kit itself is made from one of the brand new Create-In albums. These are the ones without a spine, so you can customize it however you want. You've seen me put notebooks in here. You can put a ring binder insert in here. And with this one, so you will get the binder, with this one you're going to be putting in some of those great pages that 49 and Market has to where you can configure the album endless amount of ways. So you'll actually will get a half pack of the tall book pages in there, and with the pages, your book, and all the fun accessories, this is what you're going to be able to make. So here is the cover of the book. So you got a great little place for a picture here. The spine has been coated in washi tape, and then the back is decorated as well. And then we're going to open it up. Your first page is going to be a nice little pocket page, all kinds of fun little pullouts in here. You could put additional pictures in there as well. Second page has 2 small photos. Our next page here, 2 more photos. There's another great little focal point there. Another great photo here. 2 more here. Now here's one of those fun flips that we love, that those book pages allow us to do. So you've got another photo here and here. You're going to notice you've got a nice mix of large and small photos. I know sometimes the photos can get to be a little small. These are all great photo sizes here on these pages. 2 more little ones here. This is one of my favorite pages here. So watch this. So it kind of pulls, watch how it pulls up and out. Did you see that? Is that not awesome? So pulls up and out, and it's going to lay like that. Then you've got a great pull down here as well. It's kind of going off camera, but it pulls down and folds out. How fun is that? Seriously, I love, love, love it. And then it folds back together. Slides right in there like that. Turn the page here, another great photo here, and then a pocket page on the back. So that's just a quick little walkthrough so you can kind of see how great the mini book is. I did not count how many photos are in there, but you know that you can always make it a little bit your own and add other photos in there as well, reconfigure it just a little. But what are you going to get in the kit? So in the kit, you're going to, like I said, you're going to get the album cover. You're going to get a half a pack of the tall book pages in white, and then I'm saying over here because I've got them over here. You're going to get a pack of the brand new color swatch in peach frames. You're going to get an entire pack of the Spice ephemera bits. You will get a 6x8 collection, laser cut elements, and then finally a rub-on set in citrus. To do the binding, you're going to get about 2 feet. You don't need a whole roll of this, but you will be getting some of the fabric washi tape to cover the spine for your book. So that is everything that's going to be included in your kit. So as you can see, you've got all kinds of fun stuff to play with for this kit. And if you have not used these Create-In albums before, I feel like on the shelf, sometimes they can seem so intimidating, but once you do one, you kind of have that like aha moment, and you've got the self-confidence that you know you can tackle them over and over again. They are so fun and so easy. What is intimidating is you get a lot of stuff in here for your money. So you get a lot of bang for your buck in here. And I think when you look at all those pieces, it can become very intimidating. But it's just because there's so many of them in there. So, all right. So this album, I will be taking pre-orders now for it. I do have enough to get some right out the door, but I am waiting for some more of these to bust apart for more kits. So that's just the only thing that we are waiting for. Otherwise, we have everything that we need to create the albums here, get them going out the door. For your album, how this will be, I have a private Facebook group set up for this, and in that Facebook group, I will post pictures of each page, and also your instructions are in there for you to download as well. That is also a great place to ask questions, anything like that. That way myself and other people who are making the book may have the same questions you do, or can answer the questions quickly for you as well. So the kit for this is $63.99, and that will be while supplies last, because you know that once those spice pieces go out of stock, which is usually the ephemera, then I cannot make kits anymore. So even if it's not on your radar for this year, but maybe you know you're going to do family pictures for fall next year, this may be the perfect kit to snag. Put it together now, and then you can always add those pictures later. So again, you can already get this online at www.thedoodlebuginc.com. You can go to our pre-orders page, and it is already there, or you can type in Spice Mini Book, and it will pop up as well. Or you can just leave me a note here in the comments, and we will get your book going for you. All right, everybody, again, thank you so much. I am Hannah from the Doodlebug. I hope you love this album as much as what I did. I will do a shout out to Stacey Williams. She put the album together for me. It was designed by Janine, the owner of 49 and Market, so that's why you know it's amazing and it's so good. But Stacey was gracious enough to put the kit together for us, so we would have a sample done in time when the line got here, and I super appreciate her for that. So all right, everybody, thank you so much. Drop me a note in the comments if you would like to order one of these, and we will get those kits out to you. Have a great evening and make it crafty, friends. Bye.